Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have two fascinating news. One about a global trade war between the US and European Union, and another about a tiny but mighty sea creature, the olive ridley turtle, and will uncover how first we will uncover how world economies battle each other and how. Then, in this particular article, we'll understand how climate change is shaping the future of marine life. So, grab your curiosity caps and let's dive in. Imagine this: you and your best friend exchange snacks every day at lunch. But one day, your friend decides to charge you an extra chocolate bar for a cookie. You don't like that. So, you also demand extra chips for a sandwich. Now, both of you keep increasing your demands, making it harder to, trade snacks fairly. Now, this is similar to what happens in a trade war. Okay, so what is a trade war? A trade war happens when two or more countries impose taxes, or simply called tariffs, on each other's goods. So, tariffs make imported goods more expensive because they have intention that we want to protect our local businesses, but it increases it increases the cost for consumers. So trade wars can affect industries, jobs, and even daily products that we buy. Okay, so let's talk about the latest trade war between uh, US and European Union. What is the issue and what is happening? So US President Donald Trump recently announced that 25% tariff will be imposed on goods from the European Union. But why would a country do this? So US government is saying that it wants to protect its businesses from too much foreign competition. On the other hand, US is seeing this as unfair and is planning to fight back by imposing its own tariffs on the goods from US. So this could affect industries like whiskey, jeans, motorcycles, and this will make them more expensive in Europe. So just like a snack trading example, when one country adds tariffs or taxes, the other country also respond. So this lead to an economic tug of war. Okay. Now, why does this matter to you? See, if tariffs increases, companies may struggle and people could also lose their jobs and everyday products might become pricier. It also affects the relationship between the two countries and this will make global trade harder. और अब हम challenges की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो challenges क्या क्या हैं? So trade wars may sound like a bit, you know, big politics, but they have real effects, and this is what mentioned uh, in these pointers, as you can see. So first is economic disruption. Economic disruption. Companies that rely on imported materials, they may struggle to keep their prices low. So that is one challenge. Then consumer impact. See, if tariffs increases, then products will become expensive, and consumers, ultimately it's the consumer now that who consumer needs to pay more. So the burden falls on consumer only, and some businesses, they may shut down or move production elsewhere. So there will be job losses and retaliation cycle matlab ki there will be endless cycles of retaliation. One country imposes tariffs, the other country fights back, and the cycle continues. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो challenges associated है trade war से. So trade wars can be like a never ending game of revenge, but is there a way out? So economists suggest that there should be, you know, negotiations and trade agreements instead of having these trade battles. There should be proper negotiations and trade deals, right? सो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो कि मेंशन है, जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. नाउ students, we'll talk about something that's related to climate change, and basically we'll be talking about an incredible creature facing a battle of its own, olive ridley turtle. Okay, so what is happening? These little ocean wanderers, they might be small, but they play a big role in keeping marine ecosystem balanced. So olive ridley turtles are found in warm ocean waters. Okay, warm ocean waters, including Indian Ocean. And the weight is around 50 to 100 pounds. Okay, so they are distributed in the tropical regions of Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean, and their weight is around 50 to 100 pounds. And they are known for the synchronized mass testing called arribada, which means arrival in Spanish. Okay, और क्या कुछ खास बात है इसके बारे में कि of course olive ridley turtle है, तो the species is named for the olive green color of its shell, and it has a lifespan of 50 years. Now why are they special? क्यों इतने special है? Because they help maintain healthy oceans by controlling jellyfish population. Okay, so every year thousands of them come ashore to lay eggs, and this create a breathtaking natural event. Okay, और अगर food habits की अगर हम बात करें, what are their food habits? Olive ridley turtles, they are omnivorous, meaning it feeds on a variety of food items like including algae, lobster, crabs, and mollusk. And in India, the Gahir Matha Marine Sanctuary in Odisha is the largest nesting site for olive ridley sea turtles in India. Please, students, remember this. This is quite important. The Hirmatha Marine Sanctuary in Odisha is the largest nesting site of olive ridley sea turtles in India. Okay, but despite their beauty, students, they are facing serious challenges. क्या क्या challenges हैं जो face कर रहे हैं? सबसे पहले कि जैसे हमने अभी पढ़ा था कि trade wars it create economic troubles, right? So human activities and climate change are also causing problem for olive ridley turtles. सबसे बड़ा challenge क्या है कि fishing industry dangers. अब क्या होता है कि fishing होती है तो जो बहुत सारे turtles होते हैं वो fishing nets में फंस जाते हैं. So many turtles they get caught in these fishing nets accidentally and then they drown. Moreover, pollution is the biggest culprit. Plastic waste in oceans it harms marine life, and turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and they eat them. अब जैसे प्लास्टिक बैग है तो क्या होता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्शन ऑफ सनलाइट एंड वाटर एंड इरोजन एंड एवरीथिंग दीज प्लास्टिक्स दे ब्रेक डाउन इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस कॉल्ड माइक्रोप्लास्टिक्स. ठीक है, तो छोटे छोटे माइक्रोप्लास्टिक्स हो जाते हैं. अब जो ये ऑलिव रिडली टर्टल है दे ईट जेलीफिश. सो what happens is they basically when they are in ocean they often mistake these microplastics for jellyfish and they eat them, and plastic we know it's not good, right? So it harms them. Apart from this there's also another factor uh, which is posing a great challenge to these turtles. It is illegal poaching. See, many people they still hunt turtles for meat and eggs in some places. So illegal poaching is another challenge. Okay. Now talking about uh, the biggest new problem that we have, climate change. See, turtles gender, uh, when gender like whether it's going to be male or female, it's determined by temperature. Okay, so if the sand is warm, more females are born, and if it is cooler, more males hatch. But we know that the global temperature is rising, so it is causing more females to be born than males. Now, this could cause a population imbalance in future. Imagine a world where almost all turtles are female. So that would make reproduction much harder, right? And scientists are now trying to find ways to cool the sand at nesting sites. तो ये जो है which scientists are trying to find out. अब it's a challenge for olive ridley turtles and their population, right? क्योंकि climate change की वजह से population उनकी imbalance हो सकती है. अब question है, what can we do? So what we can do, simple few steps that we can do. First is reducing plastic waste. We need to use, and I think we have emphasized this many times, and we have talked about this earlier in earlier podcast as well, that we should reduce plastic waste. We should use reusable bags, bottles, and whenever there's whenever it's possible, we should say no to single use plastics. And many groups, they protect turtles, so even awareness campaigns help. Okay, so talk about it with your friends, your family. And apart from this, everyone should be aware of climate change, because reducing carbon footprints, it's going to help all species including these turtles. Okay, so small actions, it can create big waves of change. And that, student, brings us to the end of today's journey. So we learned about trade wars, how they impact everyday life, and how climate change is affecting sea turtle. So students, whether it's about global economics or nature, everything is connected. Okay. So if you like today's episode, share it with your friends and family. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay curious. Bye bye.